Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 high performance power plan missing. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. High performance power plan added successfully. Type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options. Select High Performance option, click Change Plan Settings. If you want to remove high performance power plan, type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as administrator. Copy second command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.